Yay, we did it! We reached 100 subscribers on YouTube thanks to you. Yay! Woohoo! It's time to celebrate. I know, let's sing a song. Celebrate, celebrate, dance to the music. No, wait. Celebrate good time. Come on. I'm showing my age, I know. I'm sorry. Don't quit my day job, right? No, seriously, it's a time to celebrate. We've reached 100 subscribers thanks to you, and I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you. And later in this video, I have a surprise for you. So stick around and don't miss it. Hey art fans, it's Jose. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, you already know how much I appreciate you. I want to keep this video short, pun intended. I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and sticking with me. Hey, check this out. Check this cake out. Hope I don't drop it. Woo! 100 subscribers. I want to give a big shout out to Donna's Dream Cakes in Summerfield, Florida. If you happen to be in the area and you need a cake, look her up. She does amazing work. I'm so ready to dig into that bad boy. I only wish that you were here to help me eat it. My doc would not approve of that cake. But hey, it's a special occasion, am I right? I want to continue sharing my years of experience in painting and drawing with you. I want to share all the ins and outs. Trust me when I say that I've been at it for a long time. This way you can be more comfortable in tackling your next art project. I'll do my very best to bring you new content on a regular basis, so please be patient with me. If you'd like for me to cover a certain art topic or have a question, please leave it in the comments below, and I'll do my very best to make a video about it. Okay, so now for the surprise. In honor of 100 subscribers, no, I'm not going to do 100 push-ups, and I'm not going to do 100 pull-ups. I might eat 100 cookies. No, I won't. What I will do is show you 100 seconds of art tools that I use in my studio. So it's kind of like what's in my bag or what's in my kit, only it's what's in my studio. I hope you enjoy the art tools that I've used over the years, and the 100 seconds starts right about now. Well, there you have it, art fans. I hope you enjoyed a peek at my art gear. Once again, I want to thank you so much for the 100 subscribers. And now it's time to dig into that cake. I'll see you on the next video. Now let's eat. Let's paint.